As a young person, it can be hard to navigate the many challenges that come with trying to make it in life. From procrastination and negative influences to lack of focus and giving up too easily, there are many things that can hold you back from achieving your goals. However, by being aware of these common pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, you can increase your chances of success. In this article, we will explore 7 things to avoid as a young person trying to make it in life. From procrastination and negative influences to lack of focus and giving up too easily, these are the common mistakes that can hold you back from achieving your goals. By understanding these pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your goals with confidence. 1. Procrastination. One of the biggest obstacles to success is the tendency to put things off until later. Whether it's studying for a test, writing a paper, or working on a project, procrastination can cause unnecessary stress and make it harder to achieve your goals. To overcome procrastination, try breaking large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and setting deadlines for yourself. Additionally, create a schedule and stick to it. This will help you to focus on your priorities and avoid distractions. 2. Negative influences. Surrounding yourself with negative people can be detrimental to your mental and emotional well-being. These people may discourage you from pursuing your goals or make you doubt your abilities. Instead, surround yourself with positive and supportive friends and family. These people will encourage you to be your best and help you to stay motivated. 3. Lack of focus. In order to make progress and achieve your goals, you need to have a clear sense of direction. Without focus, it's easy to get lost in the day-to-day and lose sight of what's truly important. To increase your focus, set clear and specific goals for yourself and create a roadmap to achieve them. Break these goals down into smaller steps and track your progress. Additionally, eliminate distractions, such as social media, and unnecessary notifications from your life. 4. Giving up too easily. Life can be difficult and setbacks are inevitable. However, it's important to not give up too easily and to persevere through the challenges. Remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. You will make mistakes, but that's okay. Learn from them and keep moving forward. When you encounter a setback, take a step back and evaluate what went wrong. Then, come up with a plan to overcome it. Remember, you are capable of achieving your goals, you just have to stay persistent and motivated. 5. Failing to plan. Without a plan, it's easy to make mistakes and miss opportunities. Take the time to plan out your goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. This will help you to stay on track and make progress towards your objectives. Additionally, make sure to have a contingency plan in case things don't go as expected. This will help you to stay calm and focused when faced with unexpected challenges. 6. Being too hard on yourself. Nobody is perfect, and it's important to be kind to yourself and not to beat yourself up over mistakes. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, focus on what you can do to improve. Additionally, take the time to celebrate your successes and give yourself credit for your accomplishments. 7. Not taking care of yourself. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for achieving your goals. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep are all essential for maintaining your energy and focus. Additionally, make sure to take breaks and set aside time for yourself to relax and recharge. Overall, it's important to remember that achieving your goals takes time and effort. Stay positive, focus on your priorities, and surround yourself with supportive people. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey, and with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve anything.